Welcome back to Road Ready Reviews. This is the 1985 Mercedes-Benz 300, a timeless symbol of refined luxury and engineering excellence. Its elegant silhouette and understated presence exude sophistication from every angle. Starting from the lower left, the classic chrome accents glide along the bodywork, showcasing Mercedes' commitment to detail. As we move upward, the iconic rectangular headlights and upright grille speak of a design rooted in prestige. The tri-star emblem, sitting boldly at the center, reinforces its legendary status. Moving to the right, the clean symmetry of the front fascia emphasizes form and function in perfect balance. Panning down to the lower right, the chrome bumper adds both protection and polish, while wrapping around seamlessly to complete the front design. Bringing it back to the left, every line and curve reflects a quiet confidence that defines Mercedes-Benz luxury. A car made for those who appreciate tradition, comfort, and timeless craftsmanship. As we transition to the rear, the design language remains consistent, elegant, reserved, and dignified. The wide tail lamps with classic amber indicators remind us of an era where design and safety went hand in hand. Moving to the center, the 300 badge proudly identifies a model known for durability and poise. The dual chrome-tipped exhausts blend neatly beneath the bumper, maintaining the car's clean lines. Shifting to the right, the gently flared rear fenders suggest subtle power. And as we return to the lower left, the trunk's broad surface and solid finish hint at German engineering meant to last a lifetime. This isn't just a sedan, it's a rolling expression of Mercedes-Benz heritage. Step inside the 1985 Mercedes-Benz 300, and you're instantly embraced by old-world luxury. The plush leather seats, hand-finished wood trim, and softly padded doors create an environment of serene comfort. The dashboard layout is deliberate, with analog dials offering clarity and class. Moving across, the center stack houses intuitive controls and a classic Becker stereo system, ensuring simplicity without sacrificing elegance. As we pan down to the lower right, the gear shifter rests atop the wide center console, smooth, deliberate, and satisfying to the touch. Finally, coming back to the left, the spacious cabin reflects Mercedes' focus on quiet, composed motoring. Every detail is designed to offer a relaxing, distinguished driving experience. From the side, the 300's proportions radiate grace and balance. The long wheelbase and short overhangs emphasize stability and space. As we move up, the chrome window surrounds add a touch of distinction. Panning across, the flush door handles and gently arching roofline show restrained beauty. Shifting downward, the multi-spoke alloy wheels are subtle yet sophisticated, wrapped in tall profile tires for maximum ride comfort. And returning to the left, the lower body molding completes the timeless, executive stance. A rolling masterpiece, shaped by decades of luxury sedan tradition. Under the hood, the 1985 Mercedes-Benz 300 delivers smooth, reliable performance. Its inline-six engine, known for longevity and refinement, produces effortless power with a calm demeanor. Moving up, the analog gauges provide essential feedback without distractions. Across the center, the automatic transmission offers buttery smooth shifts, ideal for relaxed cruising. Shifting to the right, the softly tuned suspension glides over imperfections, insulating occupants from the outside world. And finally, circling back, the engineering is focused not on speed, but on delivering an impeccably smooth ride every single time. A quiet performer, built with precision and a dedication to quality. Even decades later, it holds its value through timeless design and bulletproof engineering. Moving up, maintenance is straightforward thanks to widespread parts availability and a devoted enthusiast community. Across the center, you'll find that this sedan delivers an experience modern cars often forget: comfort, elegance, and peace. Shifting to the right, classic car collectors admire it for its reputation and ease of ownership. Finally, coming back to the left, owning a 1985 Mercedes-Benz 300 means joining a legacy of drivers who value dignity, class, and enduring quality. If you're ready to experience the timeless luxury of a true Mercedes classic, the 1985 300 awaits you, an icon of comfort built to stand the test of time. Enjoyed this review? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car insights here on Road Ready Reviews.